Best quality. Brand name Shark Sport Watch. Model number SH515 SH516. Brand name Shark Sport Watch. Specifications. Case. Shape round, thickness 12 mm. Dimension 45 mm. Back steel crystal mineral glass material stainless steel 316L. Movement and functions. Caliber QTM5. Functions hour, minute, second. Bracelet. Length 190 mm. Bandwidth 22 mm. Buckle. Material genuine leather. Design inspiration. Designed to convey the RSPC, the olive wreath was the prize for the winner. Themes represent 5 rings on the flag and skeeten to enhance layering of this theme. Inspired by flame. Sweat for what you like, everyone deserves a prize for that passion. The flame is designed to convey the respect. Case. Stainless steel 316 liters is used in the case, and black and white cases are available for different favorites. The one with black case and white dial can be good choice for ladies. Choice of colors. Black edition, white edition. Back case. Stainless steel back engraved sacred olive wreath. The olive wreath was the prize for the winner as crown for the winners of the games. Case and crown. Unique logo embossed crown. Like all Deesing's Sharks logo is embossed on crown. Live your gashion now, sweat with it. Price and more information in description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for updates.